Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to turn off your iPhone if you didn't know. It's a simple task. It takes literally 10 seconds for you to do. But before we get into the video, I will be giving away an iPhone 11 to one lucky subscriber once we hit 20,000 subscribers. So once we hit that goal, I will be giving away the iPhone. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video, and also turn on post notifications. Once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I will announce it on my Instagram and my YouTube as well. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Let's waste no more time and turn off your phone. What you're going to want to do is press the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. And then what you're going to want to do is slide off. Once you give it about 5 seconds, what you're going to want to do is press the lock button now. As you can see, your phone is now turning back on. And that is how you power off your phone. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, we do have a giveaway going on once we hit 20,000 subscribers. That'll be all. And as you guys can see, your phone is back on. That'll be all. Roll the outro.